Jai Hind children, welcome back to our English classes. Today we are going to learn the 7th lesson from our supplementary reader. The lesson name, The Wonder Called Sleep. All of us love to take rest and sleep. And you know one thing? Sleep has its own role to make one feel refreshed. Sleep is termed as the unconscious state of rest. A good sleep gives us rest and calms down our mind and body after a day's tired activities. Our body recovers from all the fatigue through sleep, which means our body recovers from all the tiredness through sleep. A series of things happen to us during sleep. During sleep, we dream, muscles are relaxed, brain feels refreshed, heartbeat becomes slower, blood pressure and temperature of our body fall down. Dreams are an important activity of the mind during sleep. They refresh our mind. They are important because they help us to sleep. Doctors say that they reveal much about the problems we are facing and also provide solutions to concerned issues. But the thing to keep in mind is that dreams cannot tell our future, though they recover our body and mind from fatigue. They take us away from all the disturbance, yet they just can't tell us our future. Sleep has magical power as it takes us into a strange world. It is a pleasant and most common experience for all. Now let's begin our lesson. It's a very simple lesson. As I read, if you pay attention well, you can understand the lesson by yourself. So pay attention very well. All of you take your textbook page number 25. The Wonder Called Sleep. We know enough about what sleep is, though we don't know what exactly causes sleep. Sleep is a state of rest, an unconscious rest. When we sleep, our body recovers from fatigue caused by the day's activities. After a good sleep and the rest that it gives, we become alert and active again, ready for the normal activities of the day. When we wake up in the morning, it is not always possible for us to remember what happened when we were asleep. We may remember a dream, but the rest of our sleep was a kind of darkness in which nothing seems to have taken place. We all of us know very well about what sleep is, but very often we are not aware of the reason for sleep. Actually, it is a state of rest. It is being said that it is an unconscious rest. When we sleep, we are taking rest unconsciously. Our body heals itself from a day's fatigue and feels refreshed after a good sleep. And we get ready for the normal activities of the day after having it. We all of us know that if we sleep well, we will be more energetic and enthusiastic for the next day's activities. But if we could not sleep well in the previous night, we will not be able to do our daily routine activities normally, energetically, and enthusiastically. So, taking rest and having a good sleep is very essential for our physical and mental health. Once we wake up, we are unable to recollect the happenings while we were asleep. We may recollect a dream, but other than that, sleep denotes a darkness in which nothing seemed to have happened. Several things happen to our body while we are sleeping. As we sink deeper into sleep, our muscles relax more and more. Our heartbeat becomes slower. Our temperature and blood pressure go down. The overactive brain also slows down so that we can't think or act consciously. but we dream. When we wake up, our temperature and blood pressure rise to normal. Our heartbeat and breathing also become normal, and we are fully awake and have forgotten most, if not all, the dreams that we had while sleeping. So many things occur to our body during sleep. What are they? Our muscles get relaxed, heartbeat gets slower, temperature and blood pressure of the body falls down. Even the activities of the brain get slower to stop us from thinking and acting. But the moment we wake up, the temperature of our body and blood pressure get normal. Other phenomena like heartbeat and breathing also get normal, and we forget most of the dreams. What is a dream? It is an activity of the mind that takes place when we are asleep. Some dreams are probable while others are not. That only means that many of the things that happen in dreams could happen when we were awake. Others could not. Dreams seems to be important for several reasons. One is that a dream can help us to see through noise or other disturbances. For example, the alarm clock rings, but our mind causes us to dream that the telephone or doorbell is ringing and that we are awake and answering it. Certain doctors have found that one's dreams often reveal a great deal about one's problems, and that, if understood correctly, they can provide a key to the solution of those problems. But we must remember one thing: dreams cannot be used as a way to tell the future. They simply can never tell the future. Sleep is the most common experience, but how many of us really think about the wonder and power of sleep? Dream is nothing but an activity of the mind during sleep. Some dreams are possible while some are not. Some dreams can be realistic. Dreams are important for several reasons because they help us sleep through any noise or disturbance. When we are asleep and the alarm bell rings, we dream that the telephone bell or the doorbell is ringing and we are awake and we go to answer it. I hope you have such experiences. And some doctors say that dreams throw light upon one's problems, and sometimes the solutions are also hidden in the dreams. But although dreams may reveal problems, they just can't predict one future. Then sleep is a phenomena that happens to everyone. All of us experience it, but hardly any of us is able to think and talk about its power. Many poets have written beautiful poems about sleep. Here is one in which the poet is describing the experience of falling asleep. Now let's enjoy the poem. Title of the poem: Lights Out. I have come to the borders of sleep. the unfathomable deep. Forests where almost lost their way, however straight or winding, soon or late they cannot choose. There is not any book or face of dearest look that I would not turn from you to go into the unknown. I must enter and leave alone, I know not how. So, dear children, I hope you understood the lesson. It's a very simple lesson, speaks about the importance of sleep, the wonder that is called sleep. And we saw the main advantage of sleep. What is the major advantage of sleep? The major advantage of sleep is that our body and mind get relaxed or refreshed after a good sleep. That is the major advantage of sleep. And also we see that when we sleep, we get into an unconscious state of rest. Our body recovers itself from all fatigue. The things like our body temperature, respiration, blood pressure, brain, etc., everything gets slower during sleep. And later we discussed about dream. What's a dream? A dream is nothing but an activity of the brain during sleep. And we saw that dreams are important. They are very important because they help us to sleep easily in spite of all the disturbances, and they reveal many problems of a person that he is undergoing through in his walking life, and sometimes we can figure out the solutions for our problems. Then how can we call that sleep is a wonder? Surely sleep is a wonder. It has been called because it has the healing ability. After the fatigue, after the tiresome activities of the day, when we go to take rest, we will be healed, which means we will be refreshed. Our heart and mind and body will be relaxed and refreshed. In that sense, we can call sleep as a wonder. So, dear children, I hope you understood the lesson. After watching the video, at least you have to read thrice the lesson and that small beautiful poem, so that you will be able to understand the lesson more clearly. Hope you will do it. Thank you.